Okay, this is not smart at all. I'm doing an interview tomorrow, and with somebody, and then I gotta get my facts straight about the green zone. Okay. We're in the green zone with DOG. He's saying, what the hell we're doing here? I was told there was a city truck here, and I gotta find out if they clean. No. I'm crazy. Pas plus de brain qu'un goddamn de lapin. Don't even ask me what's that. Okay. I'll try to do it like this with one hand. Nope. Yeah, okay. DOG, go slow. It's all full of ice. It's raining. I just want to go through, see if they clean. Oh my God, there's all ice. DOG, be careful. We're crazy to be here. Nuts. Nuts. I got rubber boots on. Jesus. Oh. DOG, slow. Oh no. On the piss bucket, still there. Oh no, not fresh. Not fresh. Fresh footprints. DOG pulled me. Nah. No, no, don't sniff nothing here. Nah. No. Hey, come on. Looks like it's worse. DOG, pull me. Pull, DOG. Come on. Pull. Never mind sniffing. Pull. Look at that, pure rice. Oh my God. Pure rice. What are you doing? You stuck there? Come on. Oh my God. Huh. You want to walk the bridges? Huh?